Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So this one is a thank you from Flysky for the stuff I've done for them and all the vids on the channel. But this is to celebrate Flysky's 15th anniversary. So they've sent me this box, so let's bring in for a close-up look and have a look what's in it. So this is a little bit of something that Flysky sent me over just as a thank you to the channel for all the vids and everything what I do. There's also a lot of the groups that I'll jump in and give you guys a hand if I spot it, or if somebody can give me a shout and bring me over to the chat if you're having issues with Flysky stuff. And I'll try my hardest to either make up some programming for you that works with what you want, or try and get you to the bottom of your issue you're having. But Flysky have very thankfully sent me over this, and it's to celebrate their 15th anniversary. So we got a nice little display box. We have, if I can manage to get it out, because these are fastening pretty solid. So we have a really nice keyring. So it's Flysky touching infinity on both sides. It's really nice. Really nice of them to send me this. Now the little things like these that you can never usually get hold of, because they are only sent out from companies for sort of anniversaries and special occasions. Then we've got this with a little latch on it, and another key holder, and the little Flysky dude. He's pretty cool. And then we have, and I'm quite surprised how big this thing is. So we've got sort of a Flysky bag, but it's like a rucksack. So you've got the two little straps on it, and then we've got the Flysky logo. So we've got another zip pocket on back, and then we got quite a big pocket inside. And then you can just pull all these together and pretty much either carry it like that or wear it as a rucksack, I suppose. So yeah, it's really nice of them to send us this over. But I just thought I'd quickly show you guys what Flysky sent to celebrate their 15th anniversary. It's quite a cool little sort of collector's item thing, but much appreciated. And I don't know if any of you guys have noticed, but the official Flysky Facebook page, they've lost access to it, and I've tried to help them, and Facebook just will not let the guys back in that admin the channel, so they've opened another one. I will put links to the new one in the actual video description, and I'll put it across the bottom of the screen here so you can see what the old one was named and what the new one's named. Hopefully at some point they'll be able to get back in. It's not anything that they've got wrong, but Facebook just won't let them back in their own channel to administer it for some reason, and they won't help. Even though we've sent over proof that who they are, they're still not interested. So for some reason Facebook just won't let Flysky back in. But let's wrap this one up. So there you have it. Nice bit of something from Flysky to celebrate their 15th anniversary. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.